Do I really have to go to my
It's time to paint the fence, grandson. And don't even think about shirking or trying to sneak off to your friends.
Wow, that turned out to be more difficult than I thought.
Are you sure this was the best move? I think you've painted yourself into a corner. Checkmate! Or wait,
there
not
you
checkmate?
are.
Okay,
Now I'll put
let's
you in your
continue.
place. I know you're here somewhere. Come out.
I'll go look at the car. Something's knocking there.
I see you want to run away. Do you? Well, okay. Can you telephone? Are you kidding?
Maybe I should also
I think
find
it's
out
some
how
piece of
people
paper.
chilling. Are you up to something bad again? Ah, there you are. Now I'll put you in your place. If I catch you, you definitely won't be able to rest.
You know, at one time I became the village champion. Neighbor Vasilich is still jealous. I'll go look at the car. Something's knocking there.
Hey, zip. Matt, 3 candies? Are you kidding me? Okay, agreed.
So, is he sleeping there by any chance? Are you up to something bad again? You can't hide. I can see you perfectly well.
I'll go look at the car. Something's knocking there.
Damn, looks like the engine needs some gas. Forward to freedom. Maybe I can get only some the gas engine out of doesn't Grandpa's stall. car.
What, did you steal my boat? You impudent fellow. If you come back, I'll make you dig up the whole garden.